Have you ever really thought about your next big business idea? I mean, what if I told you a six-figure income is literally hiding on your block and it's disguised as a chore that everybody hates doing? Today, we're going to break down how some super simple pet services are being turned into seriously profitable businesses.
Yeah, just let that sink in for a minute. $200,000 a month from scooping dog poop. And no, that's not a typo. That is the actual revenue of a real business, and honestly, it's the perfect kind of jaw-dropping place for us to start.
And this really shows you the insane potential we're talking about here. So on one hand, you've got a poop scooping business that can scale to over $2 million a year. And on the other, you could be a solo dog walker in a city, pulling in over $100,000 for yourself. These are two totally different paths, but wow, they both lead to some serious financial success.
Right, so the big question is, how is any of this possible? You see these huge numbers and you immediately think there's got to be some massive, expensive catch, right? Some huge barrier to entry. But as we're about to see, that's just not the case at all. This is the key question we're going to unravel right now.
So to really get how this all works, we're going to look at two very distinct models. First, we've got the empire builder. This is the person who's all about systems, scaling, and creating a business that basically runs itself. Then you've got the solo pro, who's focused on building a super flexible, high-income lifestyle just for them.
Okay, let's break this down. On one side, you have Will, our empire builder. He runs Swoop Scoop, and his model is all about massive scale. We're talking 20-plus employees, a goal of building a business that he doesn't have to be in every day, and it's bringing in that wild $200,000 a month. Then you've got Ryan, our solo pro. He's an independent dog walker, a one-man show, and his whole game is focusing on a really dense area to create a flexible, high-paying job for himself, and he's clearing over $100,000 a year. See? They're both winning, they're just playing completely different games.
All right, let's get to the part that makes these businesses just so compelling, the startup cost. I want you to forget about business loans, forget about venture capital. We're literally talking about pocket change.
Look at that number. $174. That is the actual real-world costs to get a poop scooping business up and running. I mean, that's less than a fancy dinner for two. It makes it one of the most accessible business models you could possibly imagine. So what does $174 actually get you? Well, it's this incredibly simple toolkit. You need a specific garden rake, a lobby dustpan, and here's a little pro tip. You flip the handle to make it way more ergonomic, a little garden sprayer for disinfectant, and a bucket. That's it. You're officially in business. And you know, the dog walking side is just as simple. Your biggest investment is literally going to be on your feet. A couple pairs of really good, comfortable shoes. Besides that, you need some backup leashes and bags, of course. The only other real cost is business insurance, just for peace of mind. And that's surprisingly affordable. It's often just a couple $100 for a full year of coverage.
Okay, so you've got your gear for next to nothing. Now, how do you get people to actually pay you? Well, the marketing playbook is just as simple and low cost as the startup kit.
Now, this isn't theory, okay? This is the exact, totally free strategy Will use to get his first 15 to 20 clients. The real key here is just consistency. You gotta post in those local Facebook groups a few times a week to get your name out there. Setting up a Google business profile is an absolute must, so you show up when people search for services near me. And this third one, it's genius. Offer a free trial to friends. It costs you nothing, you get amazing feedback, and it helps you get those first few Google reviews that are so important.
Now, once you have some money coming in, this is where you can pour gasoline on the fire. We'll scale from 20 customers to 350 customers in just 3 months by turning on paid ads. Get this. In the beginning, he was getting long-term recurring customers for as little as $7 a pop. It was, in his exact words, a money-printing machine. All right, let's break down the actual numbers, because this is where you can see just how achievable that six-figure goal really is. It's not about some magic explosion of growth. It's about simple, consistent addition. It all starts with this one number, $100. That's roughly what an average customer is worth to you every single month in recurring revenue. This is your foundational building block.
So what's the target? How many of those $100 a month customers do you need to get to six figures? It's about 85. 85 recurring clients, each paying you around that $100 average, and boom, you're at the $100,000 a year mark.
And here's the best part. Here's how you actually get there. If you just acquire 2 new customers every single week, you'll have over 100 clients by the end of 1 year. I mean, even if you lose a few along the way, you'll easily hit that 85 customer target. It totally transforms this big, scary goal into a simple weekly task. Just find 2 people.
You know, this quote, it's a little blunt, but it really gets to the heart of the matter. These businesses are one of the lowest risk, lowest cost opportunities you could ever find. So if the idea of tackling something this simple feels like too much, it really makes you ask, what are you really waiting for? It's a powerful challenge to that analysis paralysis that stops so many of us from ever even starting.
So I'll leave you with this question. At the end of the day, scooping poop just solves an annoying, kind of icky problem. Dog walking solves a time problem for busy owners. So what's the equivalent in your world? What's that small, nagging annoyance that you know people would happily pay to make disappear that's waiting right outside your door?